Hi everyone, I am Miriam Mercey Ocampo from STI College Olongapo, taking the course of Associate Computer Technology, and now I'll teach you how to make a JSlider. Enter the three important packages. Enter the name of the class, enter the name of the slider in the JLibrary. Construct method, always name after the class. Construct a declaration for the slider. Enter the layout of the slider and the number spacing. And then the method for the adding the slider and add the method for adding the JLibrary. Create a class for the change listener. And the integer value is always equal to the slider and get its value. Set the text that will appear to the JSlider and display its value. Then set the exit on and close operation for the JFrame. Then set the size, make it visible and resizable. Then set the title of your slider. Show you the output. You can see it will add the value.